Welcome to John's Arcade Official. Back with the Buzz Lightyear again. Hold on. Oh wait. Today we're gonna do test mode about the 2009 Toy Story 3 Vtech Buzz Lightyear Star Command laptop. So you must hold the L, C, and Q. Then press either the Buzz's head or the red power switch. So the checksum's gonna take up about a minute and 10 seconds. So for the interior, it's gonna only do 15 to 20 seconds check, and exterior will be around 45 to 50 seconds, but sometimes a minute and a half for it to check. For those who can't see well, I'm very sorry to hear that, but you're lucky that I have a phone with me for the 4K audio test, but I'm sorry I wasn't able to make it through some audio on the arcade order up machine before. And once it's done checking the interior and the exterior of the laptop, same thing with Chuggington, it'll play enter key sound. So B is the LCD grid check. So there's approximately 150 grid. So 30 rows and 20 columns. Sometimes, so once you cycle all through the LCD things, it'll automatically exit. For C is the keyboard test. So you have to press any key except for the red power button. So for example, escape button. So the D is the jumper test, which will exactly show the LCD jumper with the Try Me mode and logo on it. So give me like a few seconds first. I'm gonna need to cover my bottom. Sorry if it's gonna push the phone up. So E is the animation test. So which means that it'll play some animation used in this laptop. So the repeat button does not work until you move left or right to do it. So once you have your mouse wire fixed, and once you moved the left and right arrows, the alien mouse, then it'll exactly replay an animation up here. So after the left and right, so after you move left or right, it'll play animation, but the repeat button is for repeating the animation. So it doesn't work if you haven't played any animations on the screen. So F, G, and H are both audio tests. F is voice, which concludes 221 voice clips of Buzz Lightyear. G is the melody test, which only includes 17 melodies. And the H is for 41 sound effect test. So there are 41 sound effects, 17 melodies, and 221 voice clips. So you already know that most of the Chuggington laptop has this the exact same. So I is the LVD, which means low voltage destruction test. So it'll show you where it's battery high or low. So J is the LED test, which will only light up Buzz's head. So anyways, there's only one LED, which is this part behind his head, which is called the RGB. So LED means light emitting diode. So it'll only light up this one because it only has one LED. Especially if you close the laptop, it still does the same, but you can see him in a perfect view. But clicking on anything, and now it says, so on the LCD screen it says check CHK, which means it's short for check. So that's all of the test modes they got. So if you really much want to hear about all of our test modes on laptops, you can subscribe for more. So to go back to normal mode, just press the power button right here, and then this button. So I'm going to show you what the trick is. So press the red power button or wait for 5 minutes for it to turn off automatically. So once it'll play a shutdown melody, then you have to press this buzz button right here. So then, once it's flashing, then press this button.
Time for adventure. Press a button to begin. Farewell, Space Ranger.
So to automatically shut off automatically and quickly, just press any key other than the Buzz Lightyear and the power button. So to close the laptop, unfortunately mine doesn't close all the way, so you must make sure that the two flaps just match together, or